Today we have a 1977 Ford Ranchero that was repainted at Maaco in a single-stage metallic many years ago. You can see here a shiny test spot I did, and the owner was happy with it. It lived outside and became very oxidized. The owner found me on the internet and wanted to know if I could help him. Due to the single-stage metallic, my concern was that over-buffing it may cause issues with the flakes, as I've had limited experience with single-stage metallics, having done mostly single-stage solid colors. 2 months later, I'm now working on the car, and I totally forgot all of these details. And I'm thinking it would be a great Xcoat candidate. So I whip out my rotary and I go to town, only to suddenly remember why I declined to do this in Xcoat when I first saw the car. The rotary, though, was the right choice, and the paint is looking fantastic. I did a test spot with Xcoat, and the improvement was not night and day. So I'm still not confident this will be an ideal Xcoat candidate. And the issues would turn out to be pre-existing paint issues that were hard to see under the dull oxidized paint. As you can see, the paint looks 100% better than before, and it's coming along great. This side, the passenger side, hasn't been done yet compared to the driver's side. The back side of the hatch and the top edge of the roof are 100% better now.